If you look for the Shopify free trial, here's exactly how the current offer works. You can start with a 3-day free trial, and after that, eligible new users can continue using Shopify for just $1 per month for the first 3 months. In this video, I'll show you how to access the offer, what you can do during the trial, and how to avoid wasting your discounted period. To get started, click the first link in the description below. This takes you directly to Shopify's current free trial offer. Just so you know, it is an affiliate link, which means I earn a commission if you continue with Shopify. It doesn't cost you anything extra. On the Shopify page, enter your email address and click the arrow icon to start your free trial. Next, create a password for your Shopify account. Once your account is ready, Shopify will display its current promotional offer. Right now, that includes a 3-day free trial, followed by just $1 per month for your first 3 months on eligible plans. At this point, you can enter your payment information and subscribe right away, or simply click skip if you'd rather continue exploring Shopify first. Shopify will ask you a few questions about your business, such as whether you're already selling, what you plan to sell, and where you want to sell your products. You can answer these questions or skip the ones that aren't required. Once your Shopify account is created, you'll then be taken into the Shopify dashboard, where you can begin building your online store. During the free trial, you can choose a theme, customize your store's design, create product listings, organize collections, set up your navigation, and review your shipping and payment settings. However, your store generally won't be ready to accept live orders until you select a paid plan. Here's the best way to use the offer. Spend the 3 free days completing as much of your store as possible before activating your plan. Add your products, prepare your images, write your descriptions, create your important pages, and make sure the store looks good on both desktop and mobile. Once your store is nearly ready to launch, return to the plan section and review the available options. Eligible new Shopify users may then continue for only $1 per month for the first 3 months. After the promotional period ends, your selected plan renews at its regular price, so carefully review the amount and billing schedule displayed before confirming. That's how to access the Shopify free trial and make the most of the discounted period. Use the link in the description below to view the current offer and start creating your Shopify store. If this video helped, give it a like and subscribe for more Shopify tutorials, discounts, and step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching.